My name's Juliet Eve and I'm a face painter. I've been painting about 20 years or so. So I'm here at Paradise Wildlife Park today to show you how to paint some popular faces. Hi, today we're going to do a face makeup here on Ruby, and I'm going to do how to face paint a cat. Okay. You all right, Ruby?
Yeah.
There we go. Right. Keep nice and still for me then, Ruby. Good girl. So I'll put the white over the nose, around the muzzle. Turn your face slightly that way, there's a good girl. So this is the white in the middle. And I'll take a little bit up, just up to the middle there. Then I'm going to take the silver out from, blend the silver into the white around the edge. Good girl. Keep your eyes closed for a minute for me. Well done, that's brilliant. So I've got some black on the sponge as well. And I'm just going to sort of edge it, sort of where you might have kind of fluffy fur, in effect, around the edge of this cat face. Now I want you to close your eyes for me, because we're going to give you green cat's eyes. So now I'm going to get the black brush and do the outline now. All right, Ruby, put your head up a little bit. That's a good girl. So first of all, go round the outline of the ears. So go up here, turn the corner, give it a little wobble down the side there. It just gives it a bit of expression. And then for the sort of inside of the ear, I do that and then just blend that down. It just looks like the inside of the ear. Going round, down, give it a little wobble at the edge, and then follow that darker bit I had there. So it looks like it's the outside of the ear and there's the inside. That's brilliant. The top here, I'm just going to give it a few little hairy bits up there. That's for sure. So we give you a little pink nose, just like that. Actually, we'll give you pink lips as well, shall we? Now, can you open your mouth a tiny bit for me, Ruby? Just a little bit. That's a good girl. Now, we do a very thin line down the centre here, and a little A at the bottom. And then from the corner of the mouth, with the finest brush line you can make, I'm going to curl it round. It's a kind of cute little cat face. And then tiny little whisker spots, just a few. Now, can you close your eyes again for me? Keep them closed. So lift the eyes up like that. And just for fun, we'll create a little eye shape on the lid. Can you keep your eyes closed for me, love? Keep them closed. Good girl. So just try and make your whiskers planted literally where the whisker spots are. Oh, let's put some glitter on you, shall we?
Last time I did the glitter off.
Did you? There we are, we'll put some glitter on your cheeks. A little bit there on your lip, on those ears. And can you close your eyes? A tiny bit, just on the edge. Maybe on the nose as well. Got to put it there too. And that's how to face paint a cat.